What if you could remove one appliance from your counter and still cook faster and healthier? Microwave air fryer combos are changing the way people cook at home. No more choosing between speed and crispiness. No more juggling two machines. In this video, we break down the best combo units on the market right now. We cover real specs, real features, and real performance so you can buy with confidence. Stay until the end. We name one clear winner for most kitchens. Here is the reality most home cooks face every single day. A microwave that reheats but never crisps, a separate air fryer eating up precious counter space, two appliances to clean, two appliances to manage, and still, soggy leftovers, cold centers, and uneven cooking. Small kitchens suffer most. Apartments, studios, tiny homes, there is simply no room for both. Busy families cannot afford 45-minute oven preheats on a Tuesday night. The problem is not you. The problem is your appliances. Microwave air fryer combos solve all of that in one unit. You get the speed of a microwave combined with the crispiness of a full air fryer. Many models also bake, roast, grill, and dehydrate. That means one footprint on your counter, but 10 or more cooking functions at your fingertips. Brands like Cosori and Ninja have built technology specifically for this challenge. Superheated air, precision temperature control, and multi-fan systems deliver restaurant-quality results at home. Here are the best options available right now. First up, models powered by AirCrisp technology. This system uses 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air that surrounds food from every angle for even, consistent results. No deep frying required. The standout feature is the 5-quart non-stick basket with a dedicated crisper plate. It fits up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings in a single batch. For families and meal preppers, that capacity is a genuine advantage. AirCrisp technology is Ninja's answer to perfectly even cooking, and it delivers consistently on both fresh and frozen foods every time. Next, the upgrade category featuring TurboBlaze Technology. This is a serious performance jump over standard air fryers. TurboBlaze delivers a powerful 3,600 revolutions per minute fan speed. That means hotter, faster airflow circulating around your food from every angle simultaneously. The result is faster cook times with no sacrifice in texture or flavor. Less waiting, more eating. This technology is built for busy weeknights when time is short but quality still matters. If your current air fryer feels slow or leaves food unevenly cooked, a TurboBlaze-powered unit is the direct, measurable upgrade you need right now. Now let us talk precision cooking. Cosori's 5-fan speed system is a genuine game-changer for home cooks who care about results. Most air fryers use 1 fan. Cosori uses 5. That delivers perfectly even airflow distribution across the entire cooking chamber. Combine that with precise temperature control from 90 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can handle virtually any recipe with confidence. Delicate fish at low heat, crispy wings at max power. The texture in every dish is consistent and professional. This is the unit for cooks who refuse to settle for anything less than perfect. Finally, the ultimate combo. The 14-in-1 versatile air fryer oven with a massive 26-quart family-sized capacity. This unit handles 7 dedicated air fry modes, including fries, chops, and shrimp. It also ships with a full accessory set: wire rack, bake pan, fry basket, rotisserie fork, and 10 skewers. That is everything you need for a complete kitchen setup in one appliance. Whole rotisserie chicken, sheet pan dinners, dehydrated snacks. All of it is possible without buying a single extra tool. For large families or serious home cooks, this is the most versatile unit in this entire roundup. AirFryerGuidance is a dedicated kitchen appliance resource built around one clear goal: helping you cook faster and eat healthier without wasting money on the wrong products. Our guides cover top-rated air fryers, head-to-head comparisons, healthy cooking tips, and the best frozen foods to air fry. We research every product category in depth before recommending anything to our readers. Our community of home cooks, health-conscious eaters, and kitchen enthusiasts relies on us for honest, unbiased information. We do not guess. We dig into real specs, real technology, and real-world results, so you never have to gamble on an appliance again. Ready to find your perfect microwave air fryer combo? Every product we covered today, from air crisp technology units to the 14-in-1 versatile air fryer oven, is reviewed in full detail at airfryerguidance.com. Use our buying guides to filter by capacity, compare real specs side by side, and find the exact unit that fits your kitchen and your budget. Do not waste another dollar on appliances that underdeliver. Click the link in the description right now. Visit airfryerguidance.com, and upgrade your kitchen today. The right appliance is one click away.